Hello friends, welcome to my channel for iOS application development using Swift programming free training. Today we are going to learn Cocoa Touch framework, iOS SDK and iOS application architecture along with the Xcode IDE. So let's start. Cocoa Touch framework is basically a user interface framework, or you can say it is a collection of tools, libraries and APIs which will help developer to build software application for iOS devices like iPhone, iPod, iWatch, etc. This framework is written in Objective-C language and based on Mac OS X operating system. Cocoa Touch is developed by Apple on the basis of Model View Controller. Next is iOS SDK, which is Software Development Kit. As the name says, it is a SDK, a software development kit, which helps developer to create applications using different UI packages. So we reuse these packages by using Swift programming and design and develop our application for native platform. If you look for iOS application architecture, it has a set of layers. You can see here the base is hardware, then we have core OS layer, then next is core services runs on the operating system, then we have media services, and above on that we have a Cocoa Touch framework which provide the UI packages. Using all of these we create our application for iOS devices. For developing iOS application we need a tool, an integrated development environment known as Xcode. Xcode is basically an IDE to develop the Mac OS or iOS applications. We can create or develop applications using Xcode, and we can test and distribute on the iTunes Store. Next, we are going to learn how to install and set up Xcode in our Mac machine, and then we will create our favorite application named Hello World. Till then, thank you so much. If you like my work, please appreciate, share and subscribe, or if you have any question, please ask. Thank you once again.